packed ice? Or do you have
The distance the car travels between the time
Yes!
the driver applies the brakes
Nice!
and the
Go!
car stops.
Yes! Haha!
Why do you keep scaring the shit out of me? Stop!
Let's go! Oh god! Oh god!
Jesus, how do you scare me every goddamn time, dude?
Let's go! I have a better vest than you!
Thank you so much.
$91 times 2
Times 20.
times 20.
That's gotta be like list worthy.
That would be like a new top one.
Top one extreme.
Oh yeah, I got a lag spike at 2.
Yo, you should beat
People are
Blind
gonna-
Blizzard. Beat Blind Blizzard.
I got a lag spike at 2. People are gonna think I cut the video. Why would I cut the video at 2 though? So, why would I cut at 2%? You gotta think about that. I don't know. It all just went right. I'm surprised. I didn't die at the robot cube duel once. Somehow.
Guys.
What the heck,
Alright.
Shallow? What the heck, Shallow? What is wrong with you?
What?
Wait, was that
If
a
I...
wrong?
Yeah.
Still deafened.
Why didn't I do it half an hour or like 10 minutes sooner? God damn it.
What the fuck?
Dude, what the heck is wrong with you?
Whenever you get a new best, I always beat it within like 10 minutes.
Yeah, whenever I get a record, you beat it like 10 minutes later. Okay, dude, GG's. Kinda crazy.
Wait, I beat it! What?
Oh my god. Is he gonna beat it right now, right after you beat it?
I swear if he does. Oh my god, there's no way.
Oh no.
There's no way.
No way.
Come on, Shallow, come on, dude.
Dude, I am my
New
heart
record,
rate.
New record, new record. Come on, don't die at 95, don't die at 95. Yes, beat it, beat it. Don't die at 98, no 98, no 98. Yes! What the heck, Shallow?
Alright.
What the heck, Shallow? What is wrong with you? Wait, was that a run?
If-